Alright guys, so today I'm gonna talk to you guys about the lab for making updates. So it's your Amazon professor here. So practice writing these updates that will make these changes in Sakila, right? Review the results in with your instructor. So table, here you're gonna have your actor, your update, first name, and your last name. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and open up the studio and start our lab. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Sakila database. Use Sakila, and then let's go ahead and begin transaction. Begin update actor. All right, let's update actor. Set first name equal to, let's say it to Julia. Last name is equal to Roberts. Where actor ID is equal to 1. And then go ahead and commit the transaction. Do another one. Let's go do the transaction. Begin transaction. Update actor. Set first name to Will. Last name to Smith. Where actor ID is equal to 2, and go ahead and commit the transaction. Let's do another one. Begin transaction. Update actor. Set first name is equal to we're gonna call it Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? Arnold. Last comma last name is equal to Schwarzenegger. Where actor ID is equal to, where's Schwarzenegger at? Alright, 3. Go ahead and commit the transaction. Do another one. Begin another transaction. Let's do another update. Let's go ahead and update the film. So set title to equal Star Wars. Let's go ahead and rental rate. Rental rate is equal to 5-99. Where film, let's go get the film ID is equal to 2. Go ahead and commit the transaction. Let's go ahead and begin another transaction. Update film. Set title to equal to Godfather, one of my favorite movies. Well, Godfather is one of my favorite movies, and Star Wars too. Star Wars is a really good movie. I really like both of those movies. Let's go ahead and have the same rental rate, about $6. Where let's have a where file ID. Probably file ID is equal to 3. Go ahead and commit that transaction. Let's go ahead and begin another one. Begin transaction. Begin transaction. Update address. Go ahead and update the address. Set postal code to equal to 1111. Right. Where address ID is equal to 1. Commit transaction. Let's go ahead and begin another one. Begin a transaction. Let's go update address. And set another postal code. Let's go ahead and set this postal code where address. Sorry. Set postal code is equal to 12345. All right. Where address ID is equal to 2. Go ahead and commit the transaction. Let's go ahead and begin another transaction, our very final transaction. Update address. Set postal code equal to 99999. Where address ID is equal to 3. Go ahead and commit that transaction. And then go ahead and save this file. Go ahead and save this to SQL. This is going to be our lab 2, right? So it's going to be our lab-2. All right. Let's go ahead and execute it. I think I have something wrong at line 5. So here's invalid column file ID. Oh, I forgot to add another one called Beverly Hills. So let's go ahead and add a Beverly Hills one. So here, let's go call it Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills Cops. Here cops where 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and save this. Go to execute. Maybe the file D should be where file ID. Oh, film ID. It's film ID. So that's what. So it's film ID. So it's not file ID. It's film ID. Film ID. So film ID, film ID, film ID. So that was a bug. Go ahead and save it. Let's go ahead. See if I have everything executed. 1, 2, 3. Julia Roberts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we have 3 tables updated. Go ahead and execute it. And now you should see that all rows have been affected. And you know, that is how we make updates to the Sequila to change the results. So you know, if you really wanted to, check out the Sequila, and then you can check out the tables, and then you can check out, let's go say set first name. Let's talk about actors. You guys could select star or whatever. Select star from actor, and then probably execute it. So here Arnold Schwarzenegger's been updated, and then you can also do what is it? We did actor, film, and post address, right? Film postal address. So here, if I run it again, probably won't show postal code. Film, so first name, last name, film ID, title, and description, everything's been updated. Let's just put actors instead. Select start from actor, select. So here all the actors has been updated. So let's select star from film. On the results, Godfather has been. Do another one. Select star from address. One, two, three. So postal code's been changed. And that's it, guys. So that's gonna be for your lab. Hopefully you guys learn how to use begin transaction, use the update, use the set, and then where the condition and commit the transaction. All right, that's it from your professor, and have a great rest of your weekend.